Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're exploring Beverly Triton Nature Park. This park is really beautiful and it really takes you back when you walk in, because you walk up and the first thing you see is a little fairy garden and this playground. Fairy garden you'll see in the photos that will follow the videos. After that they have a very nice bathhouse and bathrooms. Then you go a little further up and you see this beautiful view of the Chesapeake. If you walk through here, you can see that the water is just so calm right now with a little bit of waves, but not like massive. So it's a great place to go swimming. The beach is a mile long, and then there are also tons of hiking trails here so that you can walk through and do at least 5 miles of hiking. And you can walk a couple times if you want to see the nature. In here you will also see a woodpecker that is going at a tree like crazy. There's a pond as well that surrounds some of the trails. So take a visit here if you have the opportunity, because I don't think you'll be disappointed. As we walk through here, you'll be able to see different things. Some of this park is still under construction, so it's very new, or I should say it's very newly renovated by the county. So you'll see a lot of rocks and stuff like that that are piled up trying to block the water waves from coming in and ruining the dunes. You will also see some downed trees here that are in the process of being cut, and a lot of really pretty pathways, and they have put in like different things, I guess I would say like boards and stuff to help you walk through, and some mats, which is really nice. So if you are handicapped and you're wanting to get to the beach, I imagine that it would be much easier to get down on the beach with those, so you could at least enjoy, you know, getting there without having to fight through the sand. So I would say it's definitely wheelchair accessible for the beginning part of the beach. However, some of the pathways have boards like this that you're seeing that are not necessarily going to be easy if you are in a wheelchair, or if you're walking with a cane. You know, that can be kind of difficult. But there's also some narrower pathways with boards, and you'll see that further in the video. But in the meantime, I hope you really enjoy this video, and if you do get the opportunity to visit Maryland, this should definitely be one of your stops, because the view is just gorgeous in my opinion. Anyway, enjoy the rest of this video and have a wonderful day, and until next time, take care.